So the Unite system can also be used for guided tours. In guided tours, you can have a body pack transmitter or a handheld device that is talking to a group of listeners. So you can have, for instance, here on the booth, we have about 300 receivers. Multiple organizations are doing their booth tours and they are using this system. The unique thing about the Unite system is that it's also bi-directional. So people in the group can also ask questions to the guide. Whether you're using one guide or two, that's perfectly possible. You can have up to 32 groups, and within one group you can have 3 people in a conversation. High quality audio distributed towards the participants, and you can also use it for multilingual speakers. So if you have a guided tour, you can have an interpreter so that the participants in the guided tour can also listen into the different languages.